Hey, if you want to place icons just anywhere on the home screen, so basically you will remove this grid that you can find, and the Galaxy S26, first of all, you have to open the Galaxy Store. Next, you have to search for this application, Good Luck, and you have to download it, and now you will have to open it. Now, what we are looking for also is the Home App plugin. You have to download this. Now wait until it will be installed, and you have to turn it on and enable home screen. Now click on the home screen and go for DIY home screen. Now we have to enable it, and thanks to this we can freely move items on the screen. Like literally, as you can see, I'm just putting them one by one. Almost looks like a folder, but it's not a folder actually. So we can get a custom preset on our screen. So if you're a creative person, you definitely find it useful. I hope you find it useful.